Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to make a quick video sharing with you on EL Estee Lauder, which is a beauty company. They had an earning report and they didn't meet the earning, meaning that they did poorly, worse than expected, so people are selling the stock. Actually, it is a good company, therefore it is a good buying opportunity. And if you look at the chart, you see that the stock was as high as 220. The recent high was about 217. Yesterday it was somewhere around 212. Right now it's at 192.18, so meaning that it drops $15.17. If you look at the chart, you can see the Fibonacci here, so it's falling to not quite to 23.6%, but you see it's getting stalled where the 50-day moving average is, right? And also I have a trend line here, so you can see as it comes down, this acts as a support line, so it stays right there. Of course there's a possibility it may come down, but right now this is where it is. If you don't really have a share and you want to buy, this is a good place to start. You can buy a very few number of shares, and if it ever comes down to 190, then you can buy some more. Of course, if it can come down to about 180, then you can even buy more. Alright. បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំក្រនៅចង់បង្ហាញនេះជា Estee Lauder វាថ្ងៃនេះចុះច្រើនព្រោះអីគេធ្វើ report តើក្រុមហ៊ុននឹងវារកលុយបានប្រមាណតាមច្បាប់គេនៅស្រុកអាមេរិកគេត្រូវធ្វើ report 3 ខែម្ដងតើចំណូលចូលនឹងតើមានចំណេញប្រមាណឬក៏ខាតប្រមាណហើយក្នុងពេលនេះ Estee Lauder វាមិនបានដោយបំណងមិនបានចំណេញច្រើនម្ល៉េះហើយភាគច្រើនអ្នកដែលគេមាន stock គេលក់តាមម្ល៉េះហើយចុះតម្លៃចុះមកក្រោមនេះប៉ុន្តែបើតាមយើងរៀនគឺថាជាឱកាសល្អដែលយើងអាចទិញបានព្រោះអីstock នេះវាចុះ$5 ជាងថាហើយឥឡូវហ្នឹងវាចុះមកហើយវាឈប់នឹងកន្លែង 50-day moving average ហើយនឹងកន្លែងដែល support line ដែលខ្ញុំទៅគូសនេះឯងអញ្ចឹងបើសិនណាជាយើងអត់មានយើងអាចទិញនៅកន្លែងនេះខ្លះហើយយើងចាំមើលបើសិនណាជាវាចុះមក190យើងអាចទិញបន្ថែមទៀតឬក៏មកកន្លែង186 150 and 100-day moving average, right? But actually the red one is the 200-day moving average. អញ្ចឹងបើសិនណាជាវាអាចចុះមកកន្លែង190, that's a good buy, or even lower, as low as 180. ចឹងទៅប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេខ្ញុំគាត់តែចង់ឲ្យដឹងថាតើមានដំណឹងអីថ្មី Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye bye.